Hi everyone, my name is Bryson. I'm the branch manager of Genuine Japanese Imports located in BC, Canada. And today we're going to talk about the 2007 Toyota Voxy and the 2007 Toyota Noah. So the Toyota Voxy and the Toyota Noah, they're both multi-purpose minivans, and they have a 2-liter 4-cylinder motor, to which provided with that is front-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive drivetrains. And their spacious interior also provides seating for 7 to 8 passengers, to which you can also flip up the back seats, providing extra cargo space. So to better accommodate passengers, this here's got high ceiling, power windows, dual power sliding doors which are one touch, and it's got folding seats as well as dual climate control, so that way everybody can enjoy the ride comfortably in hot or cold weather. So both designed to reduce body roll on turns and while cornering. These are great low speed acceleration due to excellent torque response. Almost identical in its product offering, the Voxy is a little more sporty while the Noah is slightly more focused on comfort. In Japan, they are perceived as mostly similar vehicles. So these cars are very easily accessible for the children and elderly too. With 60 liters fuel capacity, you can get 7 to 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which makes these Voxys and Noahs really be able to go the distance. So they're perfect for your weekend adventures with your families because they're fuel efficient, very affordable, they got lots of space, and they're very comfortable as well. Thanks for watching. My name is Bryson. I'm the branch manager at Genuine Japanese Imports located in BC, Canada. We import JDMs and other specialty vehicles from Japan to pretty much anywhere in the world. But in Canada, we clear customs, we transport, and we pass provincial inspections so you don't have to. We always wholesale, never retail, and local clients receive discounted benefits. So email your inquiries at bryson.k@genuinejapaneseimports.com. Connect with us on social media and the links in the description. And please subscribe for future JDM content. Thanks for watching.